For all you folks that don't know how to make fresh guacamole, I'm about to just give you a lesson. Now this is how I do it. Of course, we start off with avocados, jalapeno, Roma tomatoes, cilantro, garlic, lime, and an onion. Also, I put in a dash of cumin. Instead of salt and pepper, I use a little Creole seasoning just to give it a little pizzazz. Now you can do whatever you want for your seasonings. This is what I like because it's awesome. Boom. Like that. Now we're going to cut it in little pieces. I know, people go, watch your fingers. I know. Okay, see those little pieces there? Send to the pool. Jalapeno. I'm probably going to use about a half of one. Because my wife doesn't want me to set her toe feathers on fire. One of the ways you can reduce the heat a little bit is to get the seeds out of your jalapeno too. You get too much in there, you get those seeds in there, and personally I don't care. But my wife gives me the side eye if I make it too hot. And until you've got the side eye from my wife, you don't want it twice, I tell you that. About that much. Boom. Okay. Some onion. Get the clothes off this onion too, don't I? Thing is, this onion, man, you want it really small. The pieces. I don't want to sit there eating guacamole and just get a big old chunk of onion in my mouth. My sweetheart won't want to kiss me. Y'all want to know where I keep going? I'm throwing stuff in the garbage that I ain't using. Figure you guys don't want to see my garbage can, do you? Okay, I only need a little bit of this Mr. Cilantro here. I'm probably going to use about that much right here. So we want to dice this pretty fine. That'll get him right there. That'll get the job done, I reckon. Wife's gonna get mad if I make this kitchen dirty. I'll tell you that. Keep for nothing. Get this garlic peeled and cut off that little stem off the back. Keep on, we're going to chop him up pretty small too. Woo, it's strong garlic. So far, just to recap, we've got a cilantro, tomato, jalapeno, onion, and avocado in there. I'm about to do me some lime in there. I usually start out, I'll put one in there. Sometimes it just depends on how juicy your limes are. If they ain't, sometimes you get them, they ain't got no juice in them, you might have to use a couple of them. And other times you might only have to use one. Cumin. Little goes a long way. There's a Tony's on there. Now we're going to give this a good mix. Chop up our jalapeno our avocado. I want to make it. I like it kind of chunky, so I don't want to smush it into oblivion. You know. Like some big chunks of guacamole, avocado. I've got guacamole on the burn, boy. Man, that's looking fitting right there, boy. Ooh. Some of my Latino friends out there try some of this. They'll change my name from Daniel to El Daniel. El Capitan Daniel. All right, time to check on some seasoning. I'll tell you what, boys. They're right there, get her done. I'm telling you. I'll eat that thing with a spoon. Good gracious, that's good. All right. Well, that's how that game's played. So, man, that's good. Hopefully, if you didn't know how to make guacamole, you know how to make it now. It's not hard, as you can see. If I can do it, anybody can do it. Just a quick, this is the countdown. Friday, tomorrow, our video drops, I think at 9 o'clock at night. It's going to be a scavenger hunt. Now, the scavenger hunt, what that is, it's going to be a video that we need you to watch. And then what it is a game. And you watch that video, there's going to give you some clues. You go through the video, find the answers, type those bad boys up in an email and email them to us, your answers. If you get them all right, your name's going to go in a hat. December the 10th, we're drawing 3 random names. The first name we draw is getting a $100 gift card. The second name gets $50 gift card. And the third name gets $25 gift card. So don't worry about all we need is when you send us your answers, we'll contact you and say, hey, you won. Where do you want your money sent? And that's as easy as it is. So tell your friends, tell your family, 18 and over, please, in the U.S. and Canada. So tell your family, friends, let them know. Tell your buddy, hey, a little bit of money before Christmas. There ain't nothing wrong with that. Free money. And all you gotta do is watch a video and participate, maybe have a little fun. Who knows? But until then, see you later.